SoundCore, the lesser-known sibling of Anker, is a brand that has been making waves in the audio industry lately, with a focus on perfecting the art and engineering behind their products. They aim to capture the attention of audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Through tireless testing and innovation, SoundCore has created a line of audio equipment that delivers superior sound quality, durability, and most important of all, very affordable price tags. This is the Anker Motion X600 Bluetooth speaker. While some may argue that it's just another Bluetooth speaker and there are plenty of other decent ones available on the market already, I would say most of these speakers are only suitable for personal use or at best for providing background music for a small gathering. However, the SoundCore Motion X600 is a rare find among Bluetooth offerings as it boasts the power to keep the music going for a larger space. The X600 is a top-notch BOOMBOX style portable Bluetooth speaker that offers an impressive audio experience. With its powerful 50-watt speakers, it can deliver rich, clear sound that is perfect for any outdoor or indoor gathering. With that said, let's unbox this guy and see exactly what you get. So as you can imagine, with a speaker being the fundamental main product, you really don't get much in the box. But the design of the box certainly deserves a shout out. You do, however, get the speaker itself, a 60cm USB-C to C cable, and your basic quick starter manual. With that all said, with a basic unboxing experience comes an out-of-the-box usage. As soon as you lay your hands on the Motion X600, you can sense a superior build quality that is gone into its design. The arching handle is made of metal, which not only gives it a premium feel, but also makes it sturdy and unyielding. Even the textured underside grip of the handle offers a secure and comfortable hold. The front of the speaker is also crafted from metal, which gives the dense and almost mesh-like grille a distinct structural integrity. The metal front adds to the overall premium look and feel of the speakers. On the other hand, the back of the speaker, well, it is indeed made of plastic. However, the plastic has been expertly coloured and finished, key to the metal surface, making it difficult to distinguish from plastic to metal, so you kind of forget about the cheap backside of the speaker anyway. I don't really think the plastic backing is a deal breaker at all. Not only does it reduce the cost of production and subsequently reduce the price to a bargain, but it also makes the speaker lightweight. The top of the speaker has an intricate metal grille for the upward facing speaker, which has been embellished with the SoundCore logo. I really do like this nice little touch, and it does certainly add to its overall aesthetic. The power, Bluetooth, spatial sound and bass boost buttons are located on the left side of the grille, while the volume down, play and pause, and the volume up buttons are located on the right side. Each button is illuminated with a white light except for the Bluetooth button, which will illuminate blue. I really actually do like the buttons on the speaker as they have a definitive tactile click. Not only are mechanical buttons satisfying to click, giving a premium feel, but they also allow you to press them even if your hands are a little wet. Although touch sensitive ones are nice, I just think mechanical ones are so much better. There are additional speaker ports on the back panel which are not immediately visible from the front of the device. There is also a small rubber cover which can be pulled open to reveal both the USB Type-C and 3.5mm auxiliary ports. The SoundCore Motion is a highly portable speaker that is perfect for those who are always on the go. It has a compact design that makes it easy to carry around, and its battery life is pretty impressive, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge. Additionally, it has an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means that it can handle being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes, making it perfect for use outdoors or in extreme circumstances. The X600 offers up 3 standout features that are worth discussing in detail. Its first one has to be that spatial audio. Unlike other speakers that rely on surround sound technology to create a more immersive listening experience, the X600's upward-facing speaker sends audio upwards and outwards very much like Dolby Atmos. This creates a sense of height and dimension that is hard to describe but ultimately makes your listening experience more immersive and enjoyable. Even though spatial audio is often considered a gimmick, it is implemented well in the X600, and in my opinion is a feature feature that significantly enhances the overall listening experience. The second feature is the bass boost, which is another impressive feature of the SoundCore Motion. This feature can be toggled on and off, and it does exactly what you would expect it to do, boosting the lower ends. When the bass boost is engaged, you get a sense of rumble from the speaker, which is impressive considering the SoundCore Motion's relatively small size. This feature is a welcomed addition, especially if you're listening to music genres that rely heavily on bass. Another key feature that makes this speaker so appealing is the ability to adjust the EQ using the SoundCore app. This app provides a plethora of options for tweaking the sound quality according to your preferences, allowing you to fine-tune the audio output and get the best possible listening experience. The speaker comes equipped with 4 different preset options, each designed to cater to different audio preferences. Additionally, it offers the flexibility to create custom presets, utilizing a 9-band equalizer. The upwards pointing speaker adds a vertical dimension to the sound without altering the soundstage. It's highly recommended to keep this feature enabled for the best experience and truly utilize this speaker to its full potential. I used the X600 for a few days and was pleased to get a solid 18 hours of use in my studio on low volume before needing to recharge. Turning the extra features on will reduce this as mentioned, but it's safe to say you'll get plenty of use out of it. So let's take a listen to some music on this guy so you can hear for yourself just how good that audio quality is. Motion X600 is an exceptional speaker that delivers outstanding audio for the price. There is no doubt that the bass up and spatial audio modes are particularly noteworthy, as they offer a wide range of options to customize your listening experience. The bass up mode is perfect for those who love deep, resonant bass, while the spatial audio mode creates a surround sound effect that immerses you in the music. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.